It's not good. Can I like spit it out and die?
Go over the sink.
Hi.
Didn't even eat it all. Swallow it.
I'm not good. Give me a napkin. Give me a napkin, you freak.
That was awesome.
Go ahead.
Is it coming out your nose?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Hmm.
Oh my god, in my mouth.
We have to get Sydney to do that. The heck? It's off the bottom. Thanks. If it just drops. Say bye.
Bye.